Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing in my PinkyRose Exotic Peacock palette. This was one of the palettes that was in the package that the company sent to me. And once again, thank you so much PinkyRose for the eyeshadow palettes. I greatly appreciate it. So if you want to see how I created this nice fun look, then keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm going to go in the shade Discreet, which is that nice deep matte green, and I'm taking that on a number 7 brush. This is from BH Cosmetics from the It's My Ray Ray collection, and I'm just taking that and I'm gonna just stamp it in the crease. And I'll just continue building that up to my desirability. Alright, so next I'm going to go in the shade Risky. It's like a, sort of like a mustard matte green. And I'm going on a smaller blending brush. This is more tapered, and I'm going to blend out the edges of that dark green. And just pat it and blend it. I'm just going all around that darker green shade. Take it all the way up into the brow bone. I love how these mattes blend. I really think PinkyRose stepped their game up from their Bright Lights palette in terms of quality and blendability. These mattes, they blend like a dream. Now I'm just really taking my time blending this out. I really want to create a nice gradient like that. I don't want any harsh lines. All right, and I'm gonna take another shader brush and I'm gonna go in the shade Lustful, and that's a deep purple matte, and I'm gonna place that all on my outer corner and just stamp it in like that. Just to really deepen up the look a bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Alright, so now I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and I'm gonna go in the shade Enchanted. That's a nice blue metallic shimmer. It's very beautiful. And I'm going to put that on my lid. And start by patting it on. Now I'm taking another brush and I'm going to go in the shade Tease, and that's the nice shimmery purple. And I'm going to put that on top of the matte purple where we deepen up the look. Just to give it a little shine. I'm going back in that Discreet shade because I feel like that green got a little lost. So I'm going to just go in lightly and really define that crease. And of course, if you feel like it's too harsh, just go back in the shade Risque and blend it out. We'll go ahead and clean this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I tried to do a thing on the lower lash line and it clearly didn't work out. Yeah, it backfired. But I'm trying to get into doing more eyeshadow on my lower lash line just to, I don't know, get more creative. But basically I went in the same order. I used Risque, and then I used Discreet, and then I used Lustful. all on the lower lash line. And this is how it came out. I think I went a little too wild, especially on this side, but this is the finished look, you guys. What do you think? I have fun creating this look. I have to say, I think PinkyRose really stepped up their game with their formula. I noticed a couple of differences between this and the Bright Lights palette. Like these shadows, I love the way they blend well with each other. They take little to no effort. And I feel like the color staying power is more powerful than it is in the Bright Lights palette. Like I don't feel like these colors will fade throughout the day. But I had so much fun creating this. So yeah, let me know what you think about this look. Let me know if you have this palette or if you're thinking about picking the palette up. I think if you like really nice deep colors like blues and purples and greens, you know, the colors of the Peacock, I think this would definitely be the palette for you. It's very beautiful. I noticed there's a lot of shimmers, a lot of shimmer colors that come with the matte colors. Like there's, let me get over here. There's a matte blue, shimmer blue, matte purple, shimmer purple, matte green, shimmer green. And you have this, what is this, like a mustardy-ish green. And you have that color exotic. I feel like that goes well together. And you have a nice little pinkish purple magenta color and everything. I'll lean in close so you can see the finished look. I'm gonna have so much fun with these palettes. And my eye isn't leaking, so that's how I know the formula is better. Now it was leaking with the 80s baby palette, but no, my eyes are not sensitive. It's not just the formula, it also depends on the color of the shadows too. I know when I use bright colors, my eyes just be crying me a river. But I really like this palette. I'm gonna get lots of use of it. Alright you guys, so that concludes this video. As always, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.